Hello guys and welcome to The Impulsive Beauty. Today we are going to see what's in my Ipsy bag. I am subscribed and I believe 3, 4, 5, I don't know. I think like 4 or 5 beauty subscriptions, and Ipsy was my first one, and I'm kind of excited to see what kind of products I got in this one, because I did get a couple of products, a couple of brands that I haven't gotten before. So, I am a little excited to try those out. I did get something that I'm very familiar with. So let's go ahead and see what we got. This is the April bag. It is so cute. I saw it. I mean, obviously you guys know, you can see it on the app, but in person it is so cute. It is cuter than I thought. Like, I saw it and I was like, oh my god, it is actually cuter than I thought. These thing right here, I don't even know what the point of it is. It seems like a lot of reading. It does say save the date right here to choose the product, I believe, for choose a product, save the date. I don't know if it has something going on or if it's for next month's products. I don't know. But this one says, why everything's coming up rose hip oil. So it tells you that it's moisturizing, it can improve fine lines and wrinkles, it can soothe irritated skin, grow your beauty skills. That's on the back, and it tells you whether you're looking for a 101 on liquid liner or an expert take on skincare ingredients. You can go on the Ipsy blog, it has the intel for that, so just blah blah blah, a lot of reading. Anyway, let's put that aside. This is the thing that I'm going to show you first, because it's the product I picked, and this is the Buxom mascara. It is my favorite mascara. That's why I'm not wearing mascara right now, because I'm gonna put it on right now so I can show you guys what it looks like. It's got the wand. The wand looks like this. It's got these like very spiky wand, which I really like these wands. I don't know why, I just feel like, if you guys can see, I just feel like these wands are really good at separating the eyelashes. Or, I don't know, I tried the other ones and they're fine, but I just really like this one. And I don't go hardcore and try to, extend my lashes all that much, but this one is pretty good at doing so. And right there, that's the one coat. So let's go ahead with the other one. Clinique used to be my favorite mascara so many years ago, but then they went not cruelty free, so then I went and started looking for different mascaras, and I came across this one and I really like it. I do go back to Urban Decay's mascara, but I don't really care for the wand on that one as much as I like this one. And I know I might put mascara kind of weird. I know that, and it's kind of funny because this is the first time that I haven't poked myself while putting mascara in talking. Every single time my husband walks in the room and I'm putting mascara on, actually it's in this eye, so it might still happen, and he walks in the room and starts asking me a question and I start answering, I always go like, oh my god, I got mascara on me. And that's usually because, I don't know, I can't put mascara and talk at the same time apparently. But I did okay with this one. And this is how this one looks. on the eyes. You guys saw the before and this is the after. I like it. And it doesn't really smudge all that much. Now that I'm saying that, I got like a little bit of smudging. I did not think about this because it never smudges. I'm just gonna have to live with that now. All right, let's go into the next product. All right, actually, I did not, I saw what I was getting, but obviously I haven't really opened the products. So I got this brush right here. This is the Araceli blending brush, Chiquita blending brush. I just looked at the app and it said it's a pretty good, it's got a pretty good give on it. I like it because it looks a little bit round. That one, I saw that it retails for $16. I saw it right before I started filming. This one right here is the Calendula Juicy Cream, which is a vegan moisturizing cream right here. All skin types, sensitive skin. I love everything sensitive skin because my skin is sensitive. So I just buy everything that says sensitive skin. Come in a I'm gonna be doing another video where I will talk about ingredients in your skincare and your makeup that you might want to avoid depending on your skin type. Because I've been doing that, and you know, ever since I started doing that, my skin has just been, you know, good. Although it's still red, it's still red. Oh, dang it, this one is actually closed. I have to actually open it. It has a, okay, there we go. It's not that bad. What I'm opening is the Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow. This right here, Orisa Beauty. It's so tiny. But this is like, I mean, a few years ago, I probably could have done, I probably could have taken this with me everywhere and done fine. It's very nice. It's very cute. And the last thing I got, and the reason why I don't have highlighter on, it is State highlighting powder, and it's Do Me baked hot. Okay, so it's baked and it's called Do Me. Is that the color? Oh no, the color is Lit right there. So let's put this powder on. The reason why I didn't put any highlighter on, so we can go ahead and try this one on. Let's see what it says on here. Okay, so it is cruelty free and paraben free, so that's good. I'm a little bit weird when I don't know the product because I usually do some intense research before I tried any product or I put anything on my face. And this is what it looks like. I really like this gold colors. I like the, I do like the, you know, the silver color too, but I just feel like sometimes I can go too heavy-handed with that one and just looks like, bam, the moon is just like staring at you, you know, like very lit. So let's go ahead, and I don't know how shimmery this is going to be. This is the weird part when you try things on where you're filming. And you got all these lights and you're like, is it showing? Is it not showing? But it's showing, and actually I really like it. The consistency of it is very nice. I really like it. They definitely nailed it. I put on my Ipsy questions, I definitely want highlighter. I put eyeshadow, highlighter, blushes. So they have sent me, and mascara. I put mascara because I think I run out of mascaras. I don't think I bought a mascara in years. I've just been using whatever I get in these bags or whatever. I also get them, you know, from Sephora, or I actually am getting, I believe, a Sephora mascara from just buying a Sephora. So let's see how that one works. And this is on too. I really, really love this one. It is super nice. I think it's my best one yet. I don't have a lot of highlighters. So I believe it's probably my best highlighter. It's so soft. Oh my God. Definitely by the State Slit. So if you guys see it on your Ipsy bag, it's definitely very nice. The color is like, it's gold, but it's not like, you know, like that super crazy gold. So that was my Ipsy bag. On the comments below if you guys want to share what you got. Also, Ipsy is usually pretty good at, you know, sending me stuff that I put on their quiz, and by my BoxyCharm review, I know BoxyCharm isn't. So I kind of want to know, how's been your experience with Ipsy? Are they good at sending you stuff that you answer, or have you not had a good experience with them as well as I've had with BoxyCharm? So let me know. If you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Otherwise, you won't be informed of all the videos I've been releasing. I'm gonna be releasing every week about 3 videos a week or more. So if you like, subscribe. My name is Andrea. I know I haven't said it on any of my videos. And I also got Instagram, so if you want, go ahead and follow me and say hey. Until the next video. Bye.